Seat back is straight up, tray table is stowed, all carrying items must be secured completely under the seat in front of you or stored in a right compartment. Please use caution placing items or if you remember their written in, please ensure that all electronic devices are turned off. Some devices such as cell phones, TVs, radios, and any device transmitting a signal may not be used at any time during flight. However, you may use certain electronic devices when advised by your crew. Please direct your attention to the friendly flight attendants in the cabin. For everyone's safety, regulations require compliance with all lighted signs, placards, and crew member instructions. Whenever the seatbelt sign is illuminated, please make sure that your seatbelt is fastened low and tight around your hips. To fasten, insert the metal fitting into the buckle and tighten by pulling the loose end away from you. To release, lift the metal flap. During the flight, the captain may turn off the fasten seatbelt sign. However, for safety, we recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened at all times. Please review the safety information card in the seat back pocket in front of you. It explains the safety features of this A321 aircraft as well as the location and operation of the exits and flotation devices. Your seat cushion serves as a flotation device. Remove the cushion, pull up and take it with you to the nearest usable exit. When exiting the aircraft, place your arms through the straps and then hug the cushion to your chest. As the flight attendants are pointing out, there are a total of 8 exit doors on this aircraft. 2 in the front of the aircraft, 2 in the middle section, and 2 in the rear of the aircraft. Also, there are 2 additional emergency exits doors in the middle section of the aircraft. Again, there are 2 doors in the front of the aircraft, 2 in the middle section, and 2 in the rear section of the aircraft. Also, there are 2 additional emergency exit doors in the middle section of the aircraft. Each door is equipped with an evacuation slide. If directed to exit the aircraft, jump into the slide and move away from the aircraft. Take a moment to locate the exit nearest you, keeping in mind that the closest usable exit may be located behind you. If there's a loss of electrical power, low-level lighting will guide you to the exits indicated by illuminated exit signs. If needed, oxygen mask will be released from the overhead. To start the flow of oxygen, reach up and pull the mask towards you, fully extending the plastic tubing. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and place the elastic band over your head. Keep tight, pull the tab on each side of the mask. The plastic bag does not inflate when oxygen is flowing. Secure your mask first before assisting others. This aircraft is equipped with. As a reminder, smoking is prohibited in all areas of the aircraft, including the lavatories. Federal regulations prohibit tampering with, disabling, or destroying a lavatory smoke detector. On behalf of your entire flight crew, it is our pleasure to have you aboard. Thank you for choosing the U.S. Airways.
fora do avião. Olha quanta árvore, gente. Aeroporto. Ai, caraca.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Orlando, local time 9:11. We will be taxiing for a few moments. Please remain seated until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Before deplaning, please check around your seating area, in the seat back pockets in front of you, and in the overhead compartments for any personal belongings you brought along with you. Please use care when you open an overhead compartment as contents tend to shift during flight. On behalf of your flight crew, it's been our pleasure traveling with you this morning, and we do hope to see you again on a future flight. If you have a cell phone within reaching distance, you're welcome to use it at this time. Once again, thank you for choosing US Airways. We do appreciate your business, and have a wonderful day.